If you prefer to see distances in kilometers or miles while using Booking, you can easily adjust the settings. Here's how to change the distance unit on Booking. Open the Booking app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile, scroll down and open the Settings section. In the Settings menu, find and select Units. A new window will open where you can choose between kilometers or miles. Select your preferred unit and the setting will be updated immediately. Now, all distances displayed on Booking will be shown in your chosen unit. That's it. Thank you for watching our tutorials. For more helpful tips, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.